First of all, I want to show you my RC airplane crashing video because of motor decreasing speed. First, I checked my motor. The motor was in good condition. Then I checked my brushless ESC. I am using 30 ampere brushless ESC and there is no error in the brushless ESC. Then I checked my battery, the LiPo battery 3S. I am using 2800 milliamp. At first, I did not suspect this battery. I thought there must be an ESC problem or a motor problem. So I spent a lot of time wondering. Then I found out when I checked the voltage of the battery, and then after flying my RC airplane, I realized that this battery was dropping its voltage very quickly. But then I noticed that out of three cells in this battery, one cell was dropping its voltage quickly, meaning that one of the cells in this battery was damaged. So in today's video, I am going to show you how the motor is decreasing its speed due to a damaged battery. And I am making this video for you guys so that you can understand that in order not to waste money like this, first you have to check which of these three things is damaged, and only then you have to buy the thing that is damaged. First you have to check whether the motor is damaged, the AC is damaged, or the battery is damaged. Most people do this and replace their own. So as you noticed, the sound of motor was decreasing. If you find my video informative, so please make sure to like and share my video. And for more informative and experimental videos, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel.